Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the Lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricants business for 38 years. I started out my career with Kendall Oil Company and was vice president of a company and created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line. I worked with a leading additive supplier in creating a new line of racing oils, and also we put in a line of gear oils. We currently have a number of gear oils in the line. We have a conventional SAE 8090 limited slip capable extreme pressure hypoid gear oil, also an 80W 140 limited slip GL5 hypoid gear oil. We also included a line of synthetic gear oils, a 75W90 and a 75W140. Both of those are limited slip capable and also great for hypoid applications and those under heavy load applications in the racing industries. Separately, we included our classic gear oil, that is an SAE 8090 GL4 gear oil, and that is in specific for the gear sets that contain yellow metals and bronze, so it won't attack those components. We got an excellent line of gear oils, all high performance quality. If you have any questions, do not hesitate, call our tech service department.